So you're looking for that perfect home on Douglas Lake. One with a boat dock, a boat ramp, a boat shed for all your toys, ranch style home, huge decks overlooking the lake, hot tub, RV parking, acre and a half of land, and really between 20 to 30 minutes away from everything there is to do in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and the Great Smoky Mountains. Well, I'm out here at 3558 Bohanan Top Road, and I reckon I've got the spot for you right now. Let's go in and let's take a look. Now when you walk through the door, you're absolutely going to fall in love with this place. 2,400 square feet, big open plan living area. The lake walks straight out from the living area to the deck, and the lake is just right there. Beautiful finishes. The place was built in 2019. It has a great fireplace, fantastic living room, commercial UPV flooring, a fantastic gourmet kitchen, all granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. There's 3 bedrooms in here, 1 master king bedroom on one side of the house. A queen on the other side. Both with their own walkouts to the deck overlooking the lake. A 3rd bedroom at the front of the house. Then I love how they set up the 4th room, which is a bonus room, as a theater and game room, and additional sleeping area. And did I mention the place comes fully furnished, turnkey, and ready to go. All set up for your new vacation place, overnight rental property, or hey, your new home here on Douglas Lake. Now really, what a beautiful setup and design. The house is only 2 years old. These are the decks that actually lead out from your living area, both your queen and your king master suites. And right there is the lake, the boat dock, the boat ramp. You just walk down these steps over here, you have yourself a hot tub and a gas grill. I mean, really, you're just not going to get better than this. Now for me, the icing on the cake is the boat shed. Big enough for 2 huge boats, plus jet skis and all your lake toys. You got a great parking area, big enough for an RV or boat trailers or whatever big toys that you want to take and bring in and set up. Now I've set up a website right down here below. On it you're going to find the price, more information, and even a 360 tour so you can walk around the house in the comfort of your living room. But if you want to take a look at this great spot here on the lake, just pick up the phone and give me a call. All my details are right here below. I'm Randy Bable, your realtor and the principal broker of 10 Realty, downtown Sevierville, and I look forward to making this great lake property here on Douglas Lake your new home.